Hello sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of FX Pattern Pro software. Okay, so this is the dashboard. You can see with this software you can do anything about trading. Okay, this software is totally based on trading, and these days share market trading, not only these days, from the very beginning, from our very past, trading and investments were so much trending and also trending these days. Okay, that's why the vendor or the owner created such kind of software, and you can do everything about trading, about intraday trading, about I don't know exactly. You can do investment for 10 years or more than that. I don't know exactly, but I know that this software is totally based on trading. Okay, I am not a share market person. That's why I have no knowledge about share market or money market or trading investment. Okay, that's why maybe my review will not satisfy you. I don't know exactly, but let me tell you the bonuses which I am giving you was collected from so many days is worth $6,397 bonuses, which I will be giving you with this product totally free. Okay, this product costs $67 and the bonus costs $6,397, which will be given from my side once you have brought it from my side. Okay, now let me show about something about this software. Okay, so this is let me firstly clear you one thing also, that this is a review version. That's why maybe so many options are not given on this version, but your purchased version will have more options. Okay, so this is the dashboard, you can see, and in the dashboard there are some analytics maybe, and this is the signal status. I don't know what is signal status, maybe the market signal status, and the plan status, current plan. Oh, this plan status is about this software plan status, and this current plan is running basic. Okay, and the next option is all signal. If I click on all signal, it will show me all of the shares of individual other companies. Okay, so you can see everything, you can view it detailedly. Okay, what is the share price going on, what is the stop loss. I know exactly that there will be a bullish and bearish graph. Okay, so once okay, let me just found it. Okay, let me just found it. Okay, okay, so let me just show you that you can do such kind of things, which is like bearish bullish graph, and like this type of things, like you whenever this is going to red, you can just put back your money from trading, and when these things are blue, I don't know exact knowledge what it is, what is share market. I am clearing you, but I know that when you are losing, and this will indicate losing, and this will be red, and at that time or before that time you have to put back your money, and at the blue time you should invest your monies. Okay, so it will show you everything. This software will show you everything, but I can't show you because I don't know from where you can show you. And also they have supporting the telegram support facilities. Okay, they will tell you on their telegram group about everything, what is the market going on, how is market crashing, where is market crashing, everything. Okay, so this was a brief review about the software, I think, and okay, let me show you more thing if they have. Okay, so this software has no upsell. Okay, so this was the review. Now let me show you the bonuses, the rating and the bonuses, everything I will show you gradually. Okay, so this is the overall rating 9.5. I never consider market hits on overall ratings. Okay, so feature and facilities is good, and I have used it from inside, and it is good, and performance is also good, and this is such I am seeing such kind of software for the first time on the world. Okay, so value for money was also good, but I think that price should be a little bit cheaper. Okay, so this is the price. You can bought this product from $67. It is starting from $67 and ending also from $67. Exactly the price is $67, and this is the bonus value. Let me show you the bonuses. Okay, So this is the product owner, Mr. Fardeen, and this product has no sales funnel. So these are the bonuses. You can see this is collected from so many days, and these are the bonuses which I am scrolling down, and you can see these bonuses are not ending. And let me just show you, after 50 bonuses I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, because I was so tired, and people also these days has very lesser reading span. That's why I have chosen this path to put as mega bonuses. That can there it is not 50 bonuses, it is near about 320 plus softwares, PDF, and also everything will be given to earn online. Okay, so this was a review. You can check out these bonuses clicking this blue button. Check out these bonuses clicking this blue button, and you will be redirected to after purchasing it, you can click this blue button and you will be redirected to those bonuses, and also you can get the product also. Okay, the main product. So this was the review. I am signing out for the day. So bye bye.